Finding the Mizu Stone has become a tedious task for all of us.
Yes, Mappy, but don't lose hope. We all are trying and I'm sure we will succeed.
Yes, but I think we will need some help with the technology as well. Some applications will help us in searching for stones and managing these robots in a better way.
Absolutely, I can surely create the application. But who can help with its creation?
Python, the programming language, shall be beneficial in this.
Okay, but can you teach me the Python programming language?
Absolutely. I'll tell you everything about Python in this upcoming chapter.